Hi there. How are you? It has been quite some time. It's June now, and the last time we talked was January. Right after we celebrated the New Year, I think, or was it before the New Year's? Probably December 30th. Anyways, this is me now. I've looked back on our past videos and I realize we've come way so far. We are way ahead of our mind back then. Um, I'm so sorry to tell you, but the things we planned for how 2026, how we would do our 2026, none of it happened. Or I guess there were some. We planned on buying a new phone, um, buying bigger things for ourselves. And that didn't happen. Unfortunately, that didn't happen, but God had better plans. So, after spending the new year, we came back here for quite some time. I think 3 days. We spent 3 days here and went back to Mama and Papa's house. What did we do? We went back. It was Sinulog was about to start. So as what we usually do, we participated in the novena. And we went to Samar, to Tacloban. Sorry, we went to Tacloban. And we collapsed. So I think that's one of the reason why things didn't went our way, because God had other things planned for us. And I think it was for the better. I mean, when hasn't, or ano sa man wala na mas better ang plans ni God kaysa sa atua. So we collapsed, and I think twice. It was twice. One was in the CR. So we really fell, as in grabe good. And I think it was also over fatigue and because of the month-long bleeding, no? And we collapsed. Right after we got out of the CR, we collapsed again. We hit our head, and that was the triggering point. After Sinulog, after I went to Tacloban, after everything was set. Wait a sec, I'll just respond to this. So, still working. So it's 8:30. So that's why there will be few breaks in those videos since I'm still working. It's still too early for me to be able to be straight with you. Anyways, this is just a recap of how the first half of 2026 went. So after we got checked, we really went to the OB. So I think that is one of the things we won this year. We were able to prioritize our health above anything else. We got checked, we were given medication, and dahil mahal kay kag tambal. Nya, human imurang limtan-limtan og tumar. Anyways, atong vitamins ni mo dahil imurang kalimtan is 80 pesos a sachet. That's what you have to take for like the morning, something like that. Anyways, so we got checked, and we were finally diagnosed what's wrong with our ovary. So the doctor told us na we have PCOS. So we have 17 cysts, like small cysts sa left ovary and 14 sa right. And I told the doctor nga kanang I wanna have a baby. So muto siya titikan ko pills para ma-regulate ang menstruation, and it is working since February, March, April, May, June. By 28 this month, I'm expecting my period na. It has been 4 months na consistent na, and that's one of the really things we won this year. Dili man siguro dako kayo nga celebration para sa uban, but for us, we've been struggling with that kind of so sorry, we got cut off. Kay napuno ang storage. So, di bagong cellphone, so we'll have to make use of what we have. Anyway, so as what I was saying, we were finally diagnosed. We finally knew what we had. So we have PCOS. We have 17 or 14 in the left and the right. I don't know what's the exact count. I mean, the exact count is 17 and 14. I don't know which ovary which is which. So I lost my train of thoughts. It was quite some time for the disconnection. Anyway, so muna siya, we got diagnosed, and that was one of the biggest nga reason why we weren't able to buy or follow through with the plans we laid out. But we got that checked. We were able to see an OB. We were able to finally know what we have. So dako kay kong gasto. I mean, di ko siya enormous, pero I wasn't expecting that kind of gasto. And up until now, constant akong gasto sa kanang part akong life. But I think that move plays a big role sa umaabot. So that's okay. And as what I always say, ano sa amang good, wala na better. Wala na mas better ang plano ni Lord kaysa sa atua. And one thing we also checked was getting the deed of sale para sa yuta. We had lots of things. We were able to win unexpected things. We were able to get people we didn't think we'll meet, but we got to after March, I think. We celebrated Fiesta sa Tabunok and February. We celebrated Valentine's with the family. We celebrated Valentine's with Peter, of course. And after that, we came here. So, magulian na siya every month. Hindi siya magulian. Hindi ko siya taga-diri. Anyways, ma-visit siya every month. And, wait. Anyways, so, March, me and Marie celebrated our birthdays together. I'm so dark. Wait a sec. Kahayag. Anyways, I think that's good. Okay, I think that's good enough. So we celebrated our birthday together. Just gamay po niya. Salo-salo, ligo, ana. After that, April, he came by. And then April, kay dito sa niyo Kang Santo. It's a birthday ni Mama. And for me, nangyari sa theater, and then I went home sa Tabunok since birthday ni Papa, and birthday ni Maymay, kamay ra gud nga salo-salo. I wasn't able to go home na, but niuli mo si Tata, and niuli siya, and nanuroy ni o kasi nanuroy mualbual. May busy kayo ang May, taas kayo, and I was able to make good money out of it. Naka-save ko gamay, and ako man kay nagamit siya for palit o para enrollment Maymay. I mean, abag ni Mama para enrollment Maymay, para palit og tab for birthday gift. I was able to buy a couple of things for myself. For birthday ni Mama, I was able to buy her a gift, was able to treat her sa iyang gipangayo, and birthday sa Mama ni Peter. We bought silver ang necklace. Hindi siya yung mahalon. And I've had a lot of realizations. Nakain ko ba nga? I've met a lot of people, and I realized maybe glitter isn't for me. That's okay. I made peace with that. I made peace with I made peace with the fact nga I might not have my own person sa usa ng katao. Not necessarily a significant other. I think there are lots of people that are willing to love me. And one of the things I've realized is I can't risk loving someone who's not capable of loving me better than how I love myself. That's okay. That's a really great achievement. Sa una kay codependent kay ko, I wasn't able to, or di na ko imagine nga living alone. But karon kay gaana kay siya sa heart, gaana kayo sa mind. Sunshine played a very big role sa kana nga part sa kuang life. You'll hear me typing since I'll be responding, but I'll still be talking. Anyways, so he made me realize the greatest gift Sunshine gave me was the independence that I never thought I'd be able to get. He gave me the confidence. He gave me the confidence, and he gave me the courage to embrace that. Hold on. He gave me the courage and the confidence to know that I'll be able to stand on my own. I haven't thought of this until now, but that's the greatest gift I had received from him. The greatest gift he gave was, he trained my heart to finally accept and understand nga dili ko need ma-dependent sa lain nga tao, kundi sa ako lang self. I mean, he did not do this intentionally, but I don't know if it is or it was his intention, but wala na niya gisutin ako directly, you have to this and that. But throughout the time I'm with him, for all the times that I am with him, mo na yung na-realize na ako, and I'm very grateful of that. I had to pause the video real quick kay nalambang sila. Anyway, so that's what I learned. And I've met a lot of people who helped boost my confidence, who helped me trust myself again. Some were old friends, some were my anchors in life. Mama, Cristel, Cici, and some were people I met, new people I've met. I know they were just passing by, but I think that's their role. And recently, I've come to realize, or I've come to understand, and accepted and made peace with the fact nga, some people come to my life not because I need them, but because they needed someone like me in their life. And I'm very grateful to play that role sa ilang kinabuhi. Maybe muna siya akong purpose. It's not something to be sad. It's something that I should even be grateful for, no? And since the video is going on 10 minutes, let me just cut this down real quick and send this over so that I can start and hold on. I'll be right back. Anyways, so that's what happened. Those were my realizations. Some of the wins I had recently was being able to fund the family and still be able to have a little for myself. And recently I've bought a set of wedding rings for Mama and Papa's 28th year anniversary. This had been a promise for as long as I could remember. This was a promise I made to them way back when they celebrated their silver wedding anniversary. And it is so satisfying. It is satisfying, so fulfilling, and so humbling at the same time. No, there really are lots of things I've come to think about. Anyways, I think that's fillers. So, nagpalit kong sing-sing. Ito may SMC side. I sold my 2 necklaces I brought originally. Supposed to be mapalit may baga-baga ang kwintas. And feel magud nako nga dili gyud nako gyapon siya masulot kay magpanghadlok ko. So what I did was I got a money bag, magbalik ang kwintas, and I brought rings. The same fulfilling siya, and at the same time kanang makahappy sa heart. Anyways, dako kung gasto ato pagkauli kay. I don't know, kay maybe na magasto, so dako gyud nagasto. And what else? May mo ko nagasto, June. Kuan. Wait, I'll be right back. So, I think sakto na sa akong mga nagasto. And let's go back sa akong plans. I'm so sorry if you're seeing this in how many years. Sorry kayo. I don't know what we have. Probably ADHD nga dili na to ma-collect o process o tarong atong thoughts, no? So, after ato, I think supposed to be atong plans for 2026 was this and that, buy new things, buy motor, buy new phone, and all. What we had completed was had ourselves checked and work on the paperwork for what we have in the Manog. So that. And I don't know if you could see, hopefully, light changes sa atong skin, but nakabuang ko skincare. So dagan gasto kayo siya. But I think I'm happy with how I spend my money, how I spend it on myself. I think I deserve this for over the years na wala, bugot lang kung naikapalit, or bugot na po wala, o kirag naa, o kira po wala. And I think, muna siya nag-drive or nag-fuel sa thought na when I find a man again, hopefully I find someone who can love me, love myself better, treat myself better than how I'm treating me. Which is basically supposed to be the bare minimum. Pero kay hopeless romantic man tayo. I think we basta kay ubos kitong pagtanaw sa itong self na we settle for what we receive. And I think that's what is happening still with him. Pero when it comes to loving ourselves, kay ko na siya, mas better na siya than before. So, I've come to love girly girl things again. If you can see, pataasan akong kamay akong buhok. Okay naman siya for now, I think. And, I've come to love life a little more. Dili na kayo ko sige og inom. I mean, tagsa na lang kayo mo inom ang gani, dili kayo siya inom daghan. I tried losing weight and I was successful, pero with the events recently, magod, nakaon taman, anyways, and mag-meal prep ako, wala ko kalugar, kay, most of the time na ako bisita, so di ko kalugar upang merkado. I went down from 69 to 65, that was 4 kilos. Right now, I think I'm 66 going 67, so still not bad. What else? I came across someone who I see or I saw that 19, 20, 21, 22 years old me in this person. They're asking if I could stay a while, sa ilang life. They're asking me to not leave until such time. I think I can't, I wouldn't, who knows? It's just that I'm glad that they're part of what I'm currently going through, where I'm currently going, and I'm very grateful for them to see. I'm very grateful for them, because it seems like this person is really looking into what I've shared. And nanasa ko nga, if I've had someone like me during sa kanailang edad, sa akong time, I would have been grateful. Pero I think that's me being a hypocrite, because I know if I'm not mistaken, sa kanang edad, daghan ko og tao nga mga nakapalibot nako nga nagpakaako sa kung unsa ko anak nga tao ron. It's just that nagpakabugo lang. And I know they're in that same state. They know what to do. They know their potential. They know what's best for them. It's just that mas mas nipili sila nga mo stay ana. Just like how I chose to stay in that position. Anyways, hopefully makamata na gid sila. And one thing I know for sure, experience is the best teacher. Some people will be there to share. Some people will be there to share what is good for you. At the end of the day, imo magong desisyon. Imo magong desisyon ang masunod. So ikaw makaibaw sa imong kagalingon kung unsa imong ganahan. And I don't know if kaya nila mo let go sa ilang current situation. What I always tell them is, you deserve more. You will be more. Stop staying comfortable in your comfort zone. But then I stayed for quite some time. I stayed comfortable in my comfort zone. Hopefully, maabot sa time na makamata sila and mo let go, mo decide, mo risk, mo hawa silang comfort zone. Hopefully, they emerge victorious. Anyways, it's 10 minutes and I'll send this over and I'll be right back. Anyways, that's it. And I'll check. I'll create another clip and sumpayan ko ni. Hold on real quick. I'll be right back. So, distansya gid siya, no? After making the last clip, I had to transfer it to my laptop since, again, wala storage on phone. And what I did, you know what I did? I wrote down all the things I want to talk about. Again, wala gid tay tarong nga thought process. Grabe ka gubot. Mura siya og concept map. Like ang Venn diagram. I hope I could arrange my thoughts like how a Venn diagram works. It's just that no, it's a concept map that's not even concepting. So what I did was I write down what I want to talk about, what I want to talk to you about, and I'll read it na. Para di na po mawala sa tuang dyan na. So after that is what we stopped and started doing. So we stopped thinking, we started loving ourselves more, we started doing very religious skincare, we started drinking meds, like this is our vitamins. This is apart from Myra E, and this is also apart from my Sideral, which is our iron supplement, iron and folic supplement. We are doing religious skincare, sunblock, vitamins, and what else? La sugar. We stopped caring about what the world has to say. What we started doing is taking care of ourselves more. We tried looking into things na ma-divert atong nauna, because again, sunshine doesn't want any drama. We're trying to avoid that. This is just, I think, one way, or one of the many ways we try to keep our head above water. Because when we spiral, we spiral down, we tumble down, and living alone, we can't afford to do that. We're in a place, like we're literally in a place nga dili siya madali of reach of someone if we try and ask for help. So that's what we stopped and started doing. We stopped overthinking things. We give ourselves gamay nga leeway. If we want to overthink, we overthink, but then we give ourselves like kana ra siya ka time. Kana la yung na kamubo mag-overthink afterwards. We have to distract ourselves, which proves to be quite effective. Dili kaya tayo na naka-turmoil o guna-una. And basically that's it. I mean, maybe that's just the tip of the iceberg. We started doing a lot of things, stopped doing a lot of things as well. I think that's one of the more noticeable things nga atong nahin recently. And the next topic will be quite a long one. I don't know. But these are the things I'm very grateful for. Hold on real quick. So what I've said, we'll be talking about things I'm grateful for. First off, I'm grateful for every morning I woke up nga dili ba ridong utok. I woke up nga na-clear nga una-una. I'm grateful for the people God had placed in my in my life. I'm grateful for being able to do things I wasn't able to do before. Grateful for everything in life, basically. I'm very grateful for being one of the reason nga nagdili na kayo mas lisod silang mama papa. Nagapalit sa kong baboy. 5 sila ka buok. Dili ako nagpalit sa tanan. Usara ako at agsami tanan. Si tata ni palit po siya iyaha. Hindi pa ka piniyuyo ang usa. And I don't think nga kaya baligya ni mama o papa. I mean, basically ni papa. Ikabot sa panahon. Kaya na-attach siya. So, kuan. What are things I'm grateful for? I think kana. And what else? Daghan kayo. Grateful kay ko sa mga tao nga ni play og role nga maka-help, ma-appreciate nako ang mga butang akong gina-experience ron, even the struggles. Kay I realized the struggles I went through before is one or played a big role. Ano yung ani ko ka-grateful ron. And I think that's one of the biggest wins in life I've had recently. Before, kay magsige ko gmahay, ngano pa man yung maghatag, Lord, ngano na-stagnant na sa ko nga phase, ngano life progress. I mean, I'm grateful kay ko itong part. This life I'm living right now is just something I prayed nga ma-experience nako. Pero wag gid ganit ako na-imagine nga I'll be here. So kana grateful kay ko sa mga tao nga naabot. Hold on. Sorry, makat gid siya kag duty manggod ko te. Anyway. So, ano siya? My heart is overflowing with gratefulness with everything na akong na-experience karon. Ano sa pag-yun? Dagan ko mga butang nga mapasalamaton ko sa gaan og sa dili aburido nga hunahuna, sa mapasaylo nga kasing-kasing. Wow, kalam. Na English ba niya? Makalit switch. Anyways, happy kayo akong heart recently, and I hope wala ni Baus. I hope dili na mahitabo ang mga sayings ni Lola sa una nga if happy ka kay na Baus nga sadness. I'm praying nga dili na mahitabo ron. Kay my heart is very light and it's very happy, and maybe if naihangganan ang happiness, hopefully dili pun magbalos. If peak happiness, if hopefully after that is just regular days, happy days or light days. Siguro tungod sa akong mga nagian, akayon ko nga kaya na ko ang mga butang ihatag ni Lord. Pero ayaw lang po siguro ko tayo. Another sad part na sad. And I think that's it for things I'm grateful for. The list is very long. The list goes on. It's just that I can't fit everything in one video. And siguro to summarize lang, I'm very grateful for life itself, for lifing, for green things. I'm very grateful for being able to see without an eyeglasses. I'm very grateful for being able to eat things when I want to eat it. I'm very grateful for the family's good health, for everyone's light peace of mind, for everyone's mental health. And I hope God knows how grateful my heart is. And kay mag 10 minutes samta ako na po send, and we'll talk about another thing in the next clip. Anyways, so that's about it for what we are grateful for. Next is how far we are from who we were. Laom kasi. How far are we from who we were? Siguro og anger-wise, emotion-wise. Layo kaayo. Financially-wise, mga 3 ka tumbling o 7 ka split. Anak ng kalayon kay, pa man na dato. Dili pa sa kita bright mo na gasto. I mean, gasto ta mo tag one day millionaire, no? Physically wise. Well, chima lang. Pero, kuan gyud. Okay ra siya. Dili kay taingon nga layo gyud. Pero, wala sa ta nagstay sa kung asa ra tataman. We grew. Kuan ha, mindset wise, we grew. Inom sa tamutubo. So, di siya kakaingon og kuan, vertically speaking, vertically challenged kita, dawat. But emotionally wise, mindset wise, financially speaking, we are far from who we were, from who we used to be. And I'm very grateful for all those that had played quite a big role in this change. Kaya of course, di mo ko superpower, wag ko superpower, di ko superhuman, nga kaya na ko tanan. I'm not a lady with a plan. I am not someone who can do everything on her own. What lang. Sakto lang, dependent, gamay, independent, gamay. The rest kay is pure chaos and running on pure caffeine and adrenaline. But I guess that where I was and where I am now isn't really like a big thing to talk about. I mean, dili ko siya ang big deal. Pero we have to acknowledge na I'm not here lang. We both have to congratulate ourselves for not staying in the same place, for not staying in the same spot, in the same situation. We learn to adapt, we learn to accept things, and we learn to take the lessons and carry it over until such time na na-apply na nato. Ako gid pinakadako nga nabantayan is dili kaayo ko codependent. This was the greatest challenge I was struggling with before. Like, if mo tangan kuyab day, mura tapos kalibutan, kaya raman nimo, kaya gyud nimo. Mura man ka og kanang kuan, mura ka wala lang, mura ka mamatay ka day, mas mamatay tag wala tay kwarta. Anyways, I think that part of life helped shaped who we are, how we approach people. So, wala mo ko mahay gid uy. Bisan kapila siguro ko i-take for granted. Dili gid gyapon ako mahayan. As what I always say to all that tries to kanang shake this mindset mo, like mo try og instill og regret sa akong utok. Everything happens for a reason, and every pain is a cost of happiness. Yan na gid siya. So, I think I'm very happy for where I am right now. And acknowledging the very small distance from who I was and who I am now is a pat in the back, or is a way of acknowledging and validating sa tanan na to troubles na nagyan. And this, I want to share this with you because I learned, di ba nawala na po, I learned bang kanang, getting thought nga everything happens for a reason. Siguro, cringy na kasi paminan balik, pero it fuels the drive. Fuels the drive of mas gaan. Anyways, so how far we are from, that's it. Dili kita dakong improvement, but progress is still progress, no matter how slow, no matter how short ang gap. But at least you weren't staying. Ano lang. And next is, what are our hopes? Wala, nag-pray ra gyapon og nag-hope ra gyapon ko nga stable ako ang peace of mind. If naamay mo challenge, hopefully mapangitaan na gyapon paagi nga makalma. Peace of mind is really expensive, no? You can't buy it with a currency, or with Philippine currency alone. You have to lose some people in order to keep a big part of yourself. And that's okay. Some people are really meant to be shed. I mean, after you learn your lesson, and hopefully after they learn theirs, and that's it. That's the end of both your roles in each other's lives. You have to shed them. So, what are our hopes? Again, peace of mind. If losing someone would cover that cost, nga makip ako akong peace of mind, hopefully dili na mag-shadow lang tao. But if the situation calls for it, then go. And I hope nga makatun ko tarong og gasto sa akong kwarta. I was really hoping for a baby, no? Pero I think kinahanglan ako i-stop o pamugos. Ang dili pa para ako sa karon. And I've made peace with that na. I realized nga daghan gaawas-awas akong heart mo love, especially coming from like another person I made. Of course, magawas-awas akong heart, and I'm pretty sure nga sa kaligod sa akong support system dili ko maginusara. But kung unsa magud kadaghan ang love sa akong heart, inana pa sa kadaghan og doubt, ingon ana kadaghan questions, ingon ana kadaghan og anger, ingon ana kadaghan og unresolved trauma, and I don't want to bring a part of me to suffer again. So I can do this on my own. I think the love I've prepared for that little version of me is siguro need na ko siya spend sa kaning version to sa akong self to hopefully bring or to hopefully become a better version of myself para maworthy ko mo bring another life sa kaning world. I don't want my baby girl or my baby boy to suffer. So wala, ako lang sa saying let go, and I'm praying that I find the peace in that fact. So, and I hope makakita na ko lain mga work, but wala gyapon na pamugos kay ako even the fruit I will be eating has been carefully curated by the universe for me. The moment the seed was planted, one of its fruits has been destined to be at my table. So ano na lang. And next, who do we miss? Who do we miss? Daghan. Katong mga tao nga ni play og dagko kayo nga role sa akong life, mga tao nga giubanan ko sa mga time nga nagmaoy ko. I miss them, but wala, komportable na ko sa fact na wala na ako nagtuyok ilang kalimut. Maris, Taya, Maui, John Lloyd, Jake, Limuel, Linyo, Lindon, CJ, that's okay. Wala man tagi pakataw nga na i-mention nga pwede sila dadon sa usa lang kabalay. Well, we all have our own separate lives. I think mauna, who do we miss? Lola, of course, pero hold on. Anyway, so siya. Si Lola, of course, but mas nanamagod siya sa mas better nga lugar. And humana po ko sa part nga nagpaka-selfish ko nga if pwede na ko siya pangayoon, pwede na ko ihatag ang part sa akong life para ma-extend iya ha. Humana ko na nga part. Mas better, mas okay if nasa dito. And then, kind of interesting. Who were the people? Oh no, we'll talk about this in the next clip. So, the next question is, who were the people with, or not the next question, the next thing. Who were the people we've accepted the fact that won't be with us forever? Basic. Parents, we all had to attend, our parents will be here for as much and for as long as they could, and they would. Right now, sa akong life, siguro, friends, like my previous circle, they're still physically here with us, no si Bako palayo. But, emotionally wise, we're all living separate lives and we're meant to live separate lives. So they won't be here forever. I mean, they'll still be a part of life. They'll still be a part of the memories. But siguro dili na magtuyok na ko ilang kalibutan. I mean, we could go on in our separate ways. And si Sunshine, of course, truth be told, I'm not someone that would probably settle na lang or like, mubalik sa breadcrumbing. I mean, I'm aware. Sunshine had brought a lot of things, good things in my life. One thing nga iyang nada is, ang akong awareness, he gave me awareness nga, despite unsa ta kaganahan nga, some people stay with us for as long as we want them to. Di siya mimo. I mean, di gid para to. So, probably sunshine and hopefully, ihatag ni Lord. But if dili, that's okay. That's part of life. I think kana ra kay my sisters will always be my sisters no matter the storm. My parents will be my parents, but like everyone else, like every other parent, they'll have to be left behind for me to be able to live myself or to be able to live my life. That's it. And what do we do to keep ourselves busy? Duwa og games. Sa tab, magsuroy-suroy, masudog DIY, maglaag. I mean, life is too short to not be enjoyed. Every minute you spend sad is 60 seconds you choose not to be happy. We can only get so much time. Dili pwede magkalas-kalas. I mean, give yourself enough time na masad, to be lonely, to be regretful, but please choose to see the light. Ayun, see the light, we can matay. I mean, see the positive side, positive part of things. I'm very happy kay nabalik na siya nga part sa akong mindset. Before, kay dili. But for now, that's what I can say. Hopefully, mo sa na yung mahitabo ni Mati. Hopefully, you'll be as positive as we can get. And I also realized na, ako lang insert before mawas ko noon. I realized, speaking of light, no matter, I mean, there will be people who will complain about how brightly you shine. How bright you shine, how sakit sa mata imong kahayag. And please, don't let them dim your light. Sino mag-adjust, mag-shades mo, hindi nyo kaya kong light. Lain hindi ka malight na yung oily mo ka. Chima lang. Anyway, ako na, and what are the things we choose to think instead? Conspiracy theories. Conspiracy theories, I think that's one of the things, the supernatural world is one of the things that I'm thinking about karon. Dili mo sa inyo niya, ganahan ko mahimo engkanto no, wala lang, ganahan ko ma-enjoy, ganahan ko nga na-curious ko, so ganahan ko nga ma-feel ako curiosity. Last, how do we love ourselves now? We love ourselves now harder than we used to love anybody else before. I mean, wala sa yun no, makatupong sa love sa akong parents, pero right now, I've come to love myself harder than I love anybody else, aside from my parents, before. So, I think it's a win. Ang itagan akong self o chance nga, ma-experience ang mga nindot ibutang, And I think this is way too long na, but that's what happens in 2026. We've met a lot of people, lost a couple, loved ourselves more, spend more good, as in most. Anyways, I think that's about it. I think that's about how 6 months went by. Once again, this is Ate Jo, and see you soon. Shouldn't stop.